Hello, class 11th. You have already learned about principle of mathematical induction in the previous video and example 1. Depending on example 1, you have solved some questions. Now, some more examples. Example 2. Prove that 2 raised to the power n is greater than n for all positive integer n. Now, the first step, this is the statement. Let us assume that Pn is Pn such that 2 raised to the power n is greater than n. For n equal to 1, 2 raised to the power 1 is always greater than 1. Hence, P1 is true. Now second step, assume that Pk is true for any integer k. That is, 2 raised to the power k is greater than k. Write it as equation number 1. This statement is true. Now we have to prove that the statement is true for pk plus 1. That is, we have to prove that 2 raised to the power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. Now from equation 1, 2 raised to the power k is greater than k, and if we multiply both sides by 2, it gives 2 into 2 raised to the power k is greater than, if we multiply by 2, it gives 2k. Now 2 into 2 raised to the power k becomes 2 raised to the power k plus 1, and you can write 2k as k plus k. Since k is any integer and must be greater than 1, then if we write 1 in place of k, then the inequality does not suffers. That is, 2 raised to the power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. This is what we have to prove. Therefore, the statement is true for pk plus 1. Hence, the statement is true for all natural numbers, all positive integers n. Depending on this example, you have some question in the exercise. Now try to solve on day 2. Okay, let us move for next example. Example 3. For all natural numbers n greater than equal to 1, prove that 1 upon 1 into 2, it is 1 into 2, not 1.2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, and n into n plus 1, 1 upon n into n plus 1 gives n upon n plus 1. This is the statement. Let us suppose that the statement is denoted by Pn. Now, for n equal to 1, we have to take the first term, that is 1 upon 1 into 2, and 1 upon 1 into 2 become 1 by 2, and for right hand side put 1 in place of n, which gives 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. That is, the statement is true for n equal to 1. It means P1 is true. Now let us assume that the statement is true for any integer k, and write this equation as equation 1. Okay, now we have to prove that the statement is true for its successor, that is k plus 1. That is, we have to prove that 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus up to 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2, and the term is 1 upon k into k plus 1. Now from equation 1, 1 upon k into k plus 1, this term gives k upon k plus 1, which we write in the next step, k plus 1 upon k plus 2, which we have to prove. Now take the left hand side. From 1 upon 1 into 1 into 2 up to 1 upon k into k plus 1, from equation 1 this becomes k upon k plus 1. This term k upon k plus 1. Okay, now take LCM, that is k plus 1 into k plus 2. This is LCM, k plus 1 k plus 2. Now multiply this k into k plus 2, that is k into k plus 2 plus 1. Again open the bracket, k into k, k square, k into 2 gives 2k plus 1. This is quadratic equation. Now k plus 1 whole square. Now cancel out with k plus 1. It gives k plus 1 upon k plus 2 equal to right hand side of the statement which we have to prove. Therefore pk plus 1 is true when pk is true. Hence by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for every positive integer n. This statement is shown for all integers n. Based on this example, you have some questions to prove for day 3, question number 7, 10, 11 and 13, and for day 4, question number 14, 15, 16 and 17.